Yeah, so my name's Eric Fox. I'm a vice chair and investment management industry sector leader, helping all of our clients navigate all of the challenges that are going on, and particularly helping them with their tax, accounting, and consulting related issues. I think some of the biggest opportunities have to do with the convergence we're seeing in the investment management space, that merger between a variety of segments of the overall financial services landscape, where investment managers, for example, in the private market space, start to look more like banks in terms of private credit and lending, insurance companies looking more like investment managers and getting into that space. So with that convergence and opportunity, there's a ton of complexity, of course. The competitive environment is as challenging as ever, given what's going on from a geopolitical perspective on a global basis. But in terms of the opportunity, that type of disruption is wonderful. Yeah, I think one of the biggest trends in investment management right now, particularly in the private market space, is bringing strategies to the retail investor market in mass affluent, which presents a lot of unique regulatory and tax challenges, both in the US, Western Europe, and Asia Pac. There's ways that private markets participants or our clients are entering in that space and having to deal with a variety of reporting issues, different types of regulatory constraints to navigate that particular market. Global tax transparency is principally on top of our clients' minds right now, and going from an environment where getting accurate data to comply with the regulatory requirements in various jurisdictions across a variety of asset classes, transaction types, and income types is very, very challenging. But what's important now is with the significant technology advancements that we have, including the uses of AI and AI adjacent technologies, our clients are expecting to go more from an area where they're not just making or getting accurate tax data for reporting purposes, but going from accuracy to awareness, making tax sensitized trading and investment and other strategic decisions, and using technology and their advisors to get more use out of their tax data. I think from an operating model perspective, right sizing the business in terms of your human capital and talent is probably a major concern right now, particularly with AI and AI adjacent technologies increasing, and the pace at which you can manage your data and solve your clients' needs. I think it's important from a talent perspective to embody more of that flexible generalist mindset, both from a front, middle, and back office perspective, as opposed to becoming too anchored into a very specific set of capabilities or skill sets.